Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're taking a look at a few watch strap options from our friends over at StrapsCo, including this Kingwood leather strap and a couple of suede variations. Starting with the Kingwood, you get that classic vintage inspired leather with broken in character. Then we move into the suede options, which are incredibly soft, comfortable, low profile, with really clean color execution that looks great on this Speedmaster. And the best part, all of these that we're looking at have the quick release spring bars, so swapping between them literally just takes a second. If you're looking for alternative material options for your Speedy that can really change the personality of the watch, I think these are a really smart option to look at. Thanks for watching. Let's get into it.